you guys doing? I was busy with class 9. So as soon as I done with that, so I had to connect with you guys. So it was a bit late for 2 minutes. And have you done with your homework, guys? You are getting time.
Yes, sir.
You're getting time. We are not having a class regularly. So you should have done that. You must have done that, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Done.
What about others?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir, didn't they?
Good. Okay, let's get started. So we were, we were discussing a couple of questions. Actually, at last minute we lost the power in last class, isn't it? So now let us continue with that. So till what exercise we have done? Exercise 5.8 point
We
8.4.
finished 8.3. We're supposed to start 8.4.
8.4
Yes.
started. I think 8.4 also we have done now.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Let's get started with 8.4 exercise. Express trigonometric ratios sin A, secant A, and tan A in terms of cot A. In terms of cot A. Look at this here: sin A, secant A, and tan A in terms of cot. In terms of cot. In terms of cot. All these trigonometric functions we have to represent in terms of cot. How can I make it out, guys? The first one is sin A. How can I find out in terms of sin A? See, guys, one thing we know that. So he's asking us to find in terms of cot A. But I know one condition, which is cosecant square, which identity? Cosecant square A minus cot square A. Sir, why we are using this identity only? Why can't we use sin square plus cos square? Why? Because, guys, because he's asking us to find sin A. He's asking us to represent sin A in terms of cot. So the relation between sin and cosecant is what? Reciprocal each other, reciprocal functions. These two functions are reciprocal to each other. So that is what the reason I'm using that. If I use cos square plus sin square theta is equal to 1, I would not be able to find out any relation over there. Alright, if I use over there. So that is the reason behind using this identity over here. So look at this now. So what can I write now? Cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So cosecant square, cosec A is equal to what? Square root of 1 plus cot A. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes or no? Now, what sin A is what here? 1 by, of course, square root of 1 plus cot A. The cot square A. Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
So, can be written as, yes, of course, this is the answer. I just found sin A in terms of cot. This is the answer. Now, similarly, how can I find out secant secant A? Sin A I found in terms of cot. Now secant A I'm finding in terms of cot. How can I find it out?
We can use secant square A minus tan square A equals 1.
Secant A. All right. Secant A is what? Secant
Sir,
A.
sir, why do we need to do all of this? As you already know that we can express cot A 1 by cot A can be represented as 1 by tan. Then we can directly write it, right? That this how it can be
But no,
represented.
look at this. All this function we must write in. All this function we must write in cot. So how can you write, man? How can you write in terms of cot? Tell me. Yeah, I didn't understand your question actually. So without approaching towards this identity, how would you write?
No, sir, I was talking about tan. Tan we can directly write it as 1 by cot.
Yeah, that is different. We are now, yes, of course it might be. Yeah, that is you are right. Third question is direct answer. We didn't come to third one, right? Third one,
Okay.
of course, that is a tan A. Not talking about tan A. Now we are after second question only we have to go for third one, right? So this is a 10, of course. It's correct. You're right. So I didn't talk about third one. I'm talking about second one. Of course, third one is whatever you are saying. That is of course right. Second one is what? Secant square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. So I'm asking. He's asking about secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Can I write like this? So secant A is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square A. All right.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So instead of writing all this now, if you are not understanding, secant A is equal to 1 by cot square A. Yes or no? Secant A is equal to so cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Can I write? Now this can be written as how? Secant A is equal to square root of 1 plus cot square A whole divided by cot A, simply cot A. Now this and this will get cancelled, no, in the denominator. Yes or no? In doubt, or if you are not understanding, let me write like this. Secant A is equal, let us separate this one. Clear now? Any doubts?
Yes.
Any
No
doubts?
doubts.
Very simple. No. Very simple. Chalo, this is the answer for the first one. The second one is a homework for everyone. Second one is a homework. How many of you have done the question? How many of you have done the questions? I mean, homework problems. I just asked you to solve a couple of problems, right? Benjamin, turn on your camera. Shaikh, Mohammed, Pratibha, Pratyusha, Srija, Ahil, Akil, everyone. Who's this? Pratyusha, turn on your camera. Look at this. Second one is homework. Third one, let us talk about third one. So the third question, first one, sine square 63 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees whole divided by cos square 17 degrees plus cos square 73 degrees. So look at this, guys. How can we find out what is the evaluate? He's asking us to evaluate. So here, what is the relation between 63 and 27? So if I add these two, I'm getting 90. What is the relation between 79, 23, 73? If I add those two, 90. So now, whenever there is a cos and sine function together, there will be 110% relation of 90 minus theta, something like that, right? So can I write this one as sine square 63 can be written as sine square 90 minus 27 plus sine square 27? Yes or no? So can I write here sine square 90 degrees minus 73 degrees plus
Cos square 90 degrees minus 90.
here cos square cos square sorry. So sine square 90 minus theta is what? Cos square. Cos square 27 degrees plus sine square 27 degrees. All divided by cos square 90 minus theta was sine square 73 degrees divided by cos square 73. If cos square theta plus sine square theta 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt, guys? I'm sure you will perform well in your exam, in your school test. If they are going to conduct so they'll teach you again. So you'll be perfect. You'll be getting perfect over there. So yes. Any doubt? Any doubt here?
No doubt, sir.
No.
Okay. So next question. Yes. In third one, second one is the homework. Homework. Next question number 4. Question number 4. Choose the correct option and justify. Array, yeah, both simple. First question already we have done. Second question already. Guys, every question we have given in a question. So fourth question is also homework. Already we have discussed in while taking the question paper discussion. So fourth question we have given in the question paper. So question number 5. Let us go with. Question number 5.
Sir, question number 4 homework.
Yes, question number 4 is the homework. Already we have discussed that you have to solve it. Clear?
Yes.
Question number 5 given that prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which the expressions are defined. The first one is cosec theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. All right. How can we prove the following identities where the angles involved are acute angles for which expression? Yes. We have to prove this. One second, right? Make it fast.
So first we split that on the RHS.
How can we prove this? Done. Right, देखो. Simple सा question है. So let us take this. This can be written as, let us take LHS 1 by sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. All right. So whole square. So 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. Yes or no? So can I write 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin square theta? 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by 1 minus 1 plus cos square theta. Yes or no? Not 1 plus. Here sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Yes, 1 minus cos square theta. Sin square theta means 1 minus cos square theta. Guys, the numerator and denominator both are not equal. Look at it, it is a whole square, but in the denominator we have inside. Square is inside. So look at this here. The denominator part can be written as what? 1 minus cos theta. Denominator can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta. So 1 minus cos theta, 1 time will get cancelled. So 1 minus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta. Alright. So this is what the answer. Any doubt here? Any doubt? So hence proved. Hence proved. This is my RHS. Look at that. Yes, sir. 1 minus cos by 1 plus cos. How easy it is. Alright. Second one, homework. Second one is a homework. This is the fifth. In fifth one, in the fifth question, this is the first question. Then let us write second one. This is the homework. Let us solve third one. Third one, which is tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta. Guys, are you able to follow the pace? Are you guys able to follow the pace? Is it fine? Or shall we go somewhat slow?
Yes, sir, it's fine.
Please. And if you are not understanding anything, you have again the recording lecture. You can just go through that, as well as you'll be having class notes. You can find it out. Clear? Is it clear
Yes,
with
sir.
everyone? Everyone look at the screen. Let us say LHS. Let us take LHS. So LHS part is this one, right? So tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta whole divided by 1 minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta whole divided by 1 minus sin theta by cos theta. All right. Now look at this here. I'm writing sin theta by cos theta as it is whole divided by sin theta minus LCM. Sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta plus cos theta divided by sin theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Any doubt? Any doubt? Hmm. Now look at this here. Sin theta divided by cos theta into sin theta divided by sin theta minus cos theta reciprocal plus cos theta divided by sin theta into reciprocal cos theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Guys, like this. If I have 1 by 2 divided by 2 by 4, it will be like 1 by 2 into 4 by 2. Isn't it? I'm just reciprocating. Yes or no? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Look at this now. Here this can be written as sin square theta whole divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos square theta. All right. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cos square theta whole divided by a sin theta into cos theta minus sin square theta. Any doubt?
Sir, can you scroll up a bit?
Yes. Look at this. Now cross multiplication. This into this into this.
Sir, how did you get the square on the bottom?
Which one?
In the last step, sine square minus cos into sine minus cos square. How did you get the cos?
Hi, देखो. This into this.
So, okay.
Into this into this. Clear? So cross multiplication again, sin square theta into sin theta cos theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos square theta whole divided by cos theta into sin theta minus cos square theta. into sine theta into cos theta minus. All right. All right. Now look at this here. Sine cube theta. Yes or no? Correct? Is it correct? Any doubt?
It's correct.
Ah, look at this now. Next up, what can we do next up? What is my next step is going to be?
Sir, you simplify the denominator and numerator, you multiply them with all the elements.
Multiply with all the elements.
I mean, sine square theta into sine theta into cos theta minus.
Yeah, let us do one thing or else. Yes. Instead of doing this step, so let's say I have got an idea. Look at this. Let us see this. So why can't we take, in the denominator, why can't we take cos theta common? If I take so sin theta minus 1, no? Sin theta minus cos theta.
Sin theta minus cos.
Yes. Plus cos square theta. If I take sin theta common here, cos theta minus sin theta. Yes or no? Here for making the denominator, look at, let us erase all this stuff not required, or else we'll cut. Let us cut this. Look at this now. So here guys, try to understand carefully. Here now shall I take minus common here in the denominator? If I take minus common, so what I'm going to get here? It will become cos theta minus sin theta. It will become sin theta minus cos theta. Yes or no? If I multiply minus into minus, sorry, minus sin square theta here, minus into minus plus, so plus sin theta cos theta. So now here shall I write minus here? Any doubt? Clear? Any doubt, children? I took minus common here. So now try to understand it carefully. Multiply, now cross multiplication. Sin square theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. Clear? Next step is cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta into cos square theta. All
Cos square theta.
all divided by sin
The
theta
top is cos square.
theta into cos theta into sin theta. All right. Any doubt? Look at this now. Can I write here sin cube theta? Now can I take this one common here? These two, this black color, red, neaky part, or this one. All right, can I take sin theta minus cos theta common in the numerator? If I take, so what I'm going to get here? Sin cube theta minus cos cube theta. Yes or no? All divided by sin theta minus cos theta in the denominator. Cos theta into sin theta. Yes or no? This gaya. Clear? Any doubt? Koi doubt? Somewhat lengthy here. Bit understand. So it is looking like a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube, so ये बनता है ना? A minus b into a square plus b square plus ab plus ab. ये तो बनता है ना, इतना तो बनता है ना? Yes or no guys? Any doubt now? Any doubt? Any doubt? So here what I'm going to write here? What I remain with now? Oh my goodness. We cancel this so it won't come again. We cancelled this, right? So it won't come again. So 1 plus sin theta into cos theta whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. Yes or no? Let us split like this. This will get cancelled. Yes or no? So 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta into secant theta plus 1. This is my RHS. Hence proved. Any doubts, children? Very good question. Actually, bit lengthy. I mean, somewhat calculation part. Any doubt? Any doubt? Simple. You just go, keep solving, go without making any mistake here. All right, children. Any doubt?
Sir, can you show the answer?
Look at that. Guys, I'm just after taking this common, I'm taking this one common here. After taking common, I'm just multiplying this one into this one and this one into, oh, 1 second, this one into this one. Clear? All right, children. Any doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
In the denominator also, I'm taking common sin theta minus cos theta. In the numerator also, I'm taking common sin theta minus cos theta. Why? Because I can cancel if I take so. All right, shall we go for the next one? Next fourth question is the homework for you. One, fifth one. Let us talk about fifth one. What is the fifth one? Cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. Yes or no? Is equal to cosec A plus cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity, which identity? He's asking us to use this identity. Using identity. He's asking us to use this identity and solve this question. Let us solve this. How can you solve this? Very good question. Very lengthy. This will be also a bit lengthy. Let us see. Guys, how can you solve this question? Tell me. Any idea first?
So we can do
Hmm? See, he is saying here cosec man. I need in right hand side. I first if I take LHS man, if I take LHS by with taking LHS, I need to prove as a RHS. So I need to make LHS into RHS. How can I make it out?
Sir, LHS into RHS, we can write cos A minus sin A plus 1 into 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1.
No. Look at this. Instead of writing that, if you write so, what will happen? Anujit? Nothing will come. See here, if I divide with here with sin theta, sin A, 1 by sin A will become cosec A. I'm getting some relation from that. Yes or no? If I
Yes.
divide the numerator with the sin A, I'm getting some relation. Why? Because if I divide, so I'll be getting RHS part simply. So now let us divide. Divide the numerator with sin A. So cos A minus sin A plus 1 whole divided by sin A whole divided by cos A. Divide the numerator and denominator. And denominator also. If I'm dividing in the numerator, I must divide in the denominator as well, right? Then only I'll be getting equivalent fraction. If not, it will be unloading. It will be wrong. All right. So what I'm going to get here, look at this now. Cos A by sin A, cot A minus 1 plus cosec A. Clear? Cos A by sin A, cot A plus 1 minus cosec minus cosec A. Any doubt here? I'm writing direct stuff. Guys, I'm just splitting individually. This, and this. Clear? All right, children, any doubt? Hello, any doubt?
No, sir.
This is what I got. So here he is asking us to use this identity. So in place of cosec A, can I write? In place of cosec A, can I write? What can I write, guys?
It's not the square.
Hmm?
It's not cosecant square. I mean, we could use cosecant
Ah,
A equals
yes.
1 plus cot square A under root.
Yes. Can we write like this now? Cosec square A minus quad square A is equal to 1. So this can be written as what? Cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A is equal to 1. Yes or no? This is going to be the answer. And can I write like this? This one. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1 means can I write cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Now let me write this step as cot A plus cosecant A cosec A minus 1. I'm just this one and this one writing together. I'm writing together. Cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Look at here. Cot A plus cosecant A can be written as what? This part. Can I write 1 minus something? Or else, guys, look at this here. Shall we do one thing?
Sir, can we write the one as
Yes,
what you
of
wrote
course.
up
Very
here?
good. Very good. Very good. That's what my next step is going to be. Minus I'm writing as this. In place of 1, let me write this entire step. Cosec A minus cot A into cosec A plus cot A. Clear? Divided by same thing. Cot A minus cosecant A plus cosec A minus cot A into here. This is the answer, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes.
Ah. Now what can we do here? Guys, what can we do? Tell me.
Sir, A square minus B square. I mean, A square minus B square.
A square minus B square.
No. A plus B into A minus B, sorry. Yeah.
Sorry.
Can we do A plus B into A minus B here?
A plus B, A minus B.
Cosecant A minus cot A into cosecant A plus cot A.
Yeah.
So it's in the form as A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square.
Yes. Yes. So here, see guys, what is our RHS? My RHS cosec plus cot, no? So cosec plus cot. So So I have cosec plus cot here. So note in the denominator let it be 1 as well. So cot minus cosecant plus 1 as it is. Alright. Here what can we do, man? A plus cosec A as it is I'm writing. Now this step can I write like this? Here 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Can I write cosec square into A plus B? So can I write like this 1 minus cosecant A into this step from this step. On this one, da cosecant A minus cot A can be written as what? 1 minus. Hello, boys and girls. Look at this. From the formula, can I write this one? Cosec A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus this one. I'm shifting this one. So cosec A plus cot A. Isn't it? Yes or no? Yes or no? 1 minus in place of this one, I can write 1 minus.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, why can't we do A plus B into A minus B? Can you repeat?
You mean what? I didn't get you.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's in the form of cosec A minus cot A plus B into A minus B. Why can't
Again?
we do that?
Yes, A plus B into A minus B. So again, you will get, that cosecant square minus cosecant square minus cot square only, no? Or else, yes. Here, or else can we do, अरे यार उतना नहीं भाई देखो कितना simple logic miss हो रहा है यहाँ में आप भाई look at this here, can I take common? Will take common. देखो भाई इसको common कर लीजिए. So look at this here. If I take a common here, what I'm going to get? Look at this. 1 minus cosec A minus cot A. Yes or no? I'm taking common. Yes or no? Any doubt?
No, sir.
I'm taking common. Look at this function. I'm taking common. Yes or no, children? Anyone? Any doubts? Guys, do you have any doubts here? Tell me. Hello?
What happened to the minus
Where minus?
after
It's there. No?
cot A plus cosecant A minus bracket?
1
But did it-
minus, it's gone outside. So 1 minus, it is there as it is 1 minus. Same function I'm writing here. Yes or no? See, 1 minus, same function I'm writing here. It didn't go anywhere. It will be like there only. So if you want, you can just multiply here. So you multiply the minus. You can multiply. You guys, minus cosec A plus cot A. Can I write? I'm multiplying with minus da. Yes or no? भाई मैंने multiply कर रहा हूँ अंदर.
Yes, sir.
Pass.
हाँ. देखो अभी now what I'm going to get. So look at this now. Here plus cot minus cosec plus 1. So can I cancel this one?
Yes.
अरे समझ आ रहा है ना? I cancel everything. I remain with what now? Cot A plus cosec A. This is my RHS. Hence, any doubt?
No, sir.
This was bit lengthy and somewhat logical question as well. That is what the reason he has given the idea to use this identity. Here the only thing you need to do is you take common, which this one. If I take this one and this one common, I'll be remaining with this one. So this one divided by this one. So the answer is going to be R. You will be getting cot A plus cosec A. Any doubt? Any doubt, children?
No, sir.
Okay. Till what question we have solved? This is the fifth one, right? Next, sixth question. I think sixth question, the simple already we have solved. I think it has been given in the question paper. I mean last weekend. So you can solve it your home. You can solve it at your home. There is a homework. Seventh one. So seventh one given to, I mean, sine theta. Sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus 2 cos theta is equal to tan theta. Prove this. This is what we have to prove. Prove this. Prove
There
that.
it's only cos 2 cos cube minus cos
Sine theta minus
in the
2.
denominator.
Yeah, only cos. Only cos. Here select sin theta common in the numerator. अरे यार अब अच्छे से दिख रहा है 1 minus 2 sin square theta simple all divided by in the denominator cos theta common so इसको 2 cos square theta minus सॉरी इधर एक ही cos है भाई इधर इधर no 2 here so only cos theta so n that is what you are saying no yes sir yes
Yes, that's what I was saying.
I look at this here I got the answer in the 11th standard guys if you were in 11th standard straight away the formula is what 1 minus 2 sin square theta is cos 2 theta formula here also cos 2 theta formula this Ushkat sin by cos tan theta and stood I would have written but you guys are in 10th standard so you are not aware of cos 2 theta formula sin 2 theta formula sin a formula cos a formula sin a plus b sin a minus b tan a plus b tan a minus b cot a plus b cot a minus b so these all are formulas you will be learning in your 11th standard so if it's 11th standard if you are in 11th standard I would have written within 1 second 1 second within a 1 second I would have proved this but you guys are until 10th standard right now still so let us do as per your 10th standard method all right that is a major difference look at this here now here guys try to understand here sin theta can be written as here 1 can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin square theta all divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1 can be written as sin square theta minus cos square theta yes or no guys minus 1 yes or no plus here 1 I'm writing instead of 1 I'm writing this one guys try to be careful clear any doubts children
No, sir, no.
No, sir.
now look at this now how can I modify this sin theta so sin square theta here sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta how much minus sin square theta plus cos square theta yes or no in the denominator cos theta into here 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos square theta 1 cos square theta minus sin square theta all right any doubt here any doubt भाई देखो cos square theta minus sin square theta cancel so tan theta this is my RHS hence proved again no doubt any doubt
Sir, can you explain this simplification again? Cos theta multiplied by 2 cos square, that one, denominator.
which one here in the denominator here
Yes, sir. No,
Here
the
we-
next one.
see one I know the since one can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta yes or no yes or no कहाँ जहां भी वन है उसके जगह में मैंने sin square theta plus cos square theta I'm writing कोई डाउट इधर
नहीं सर.
देखो भाई इधर मैंने ये लिख रहा हूँ आ रहा है समझ आ रहा है आपको
Yes, sir.
आ रहा है अभी आ रहा है आया समझ
Yes.
in place of 1 I'm writing this same thing every बाकी जो भी है वो सब सेम लिख रहा हूँ बस एक ही जगह जहां भी 1 है उसके जगह में मैंने आइडेंटिटी लिख रहा हूँ which identity this one sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 yes or no कोई डाउट
Yes, sir.
nothing
No, sir, no doubt.
So I'm asking about the simplification of this one, the second step.
This one.
Yeah, how did you get the denominator?
Denominator, how did I get? भाई देखो मैंने इधर देखो, I'll calculate this separately. So 2, I'm calculating here separately. 2 cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here minus into plus minus cos square theta. देखो 2 cos square theta से 1 cos square theta निकालेगा तो 1 cos square theta बचेगा minus sin square theta. वही तो लिख रहा हूँ. आ रहा है समझ? Shut up. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
See 2 cos square theta minus 1 cos square theta. How much? 1 cos square theta minus sin square theta as it is. भाई इसमें से इसको निकालो ना, इसको निकालो ना, छोटा है ना, समझ रहे?
Yes, sir.
You are not understanding like that. Look at this. Look at this.
Sir, I understood.
हाँ, so इधर क्या लिख रहा हूँ मैंने? cos square theta as it is. 1 sin square theta minus 2 sin square theta minus sin square theta. So this गया तो बचा हुआ tan theta. Sin by tan, sin by cos, tan theta. Then sin proved. चलो. So guys, 7th question is homework. Let us solve. Oh, sorry, not 7th one. This is 7th one, right? This was 7th one. भाई this is not. ये क्या दिख रहा है? कैसे दिख रहा है? देखो भाई, इसको हम लोग आइडेंटिटी मानते हैं. ठीक है, चलो हम लोग 8th क्वेश्चन होमवर्क है आपके लिए. होमवर्क 9th question is we are going to solve 9th one. 9th question. 9th question दिया है cosec a minus sin a into secant a minus cos a. ठीक है, आ रहा है समझ? So we have to prove this one as equal to 1 by tan a plus what? How can I prove this? Let us take LHS guys again. Same thing. We need tan, right? Tan. तो इधर कोसेक है तो साइन को कोसेक में लिखते हैं ना, तो हमको एक रिलेशन मिलेगा मुझे LHS. What I'm doing here? Cosec as it is I'm writing. साइन तो मुझे कोसेक में लिखना है, तो कैसा लिखूंगा मैंने? ऐसा लिखूंगा. Guys, girls, are you able to understand, girls? Yes, cos है, so secant है. Secant can I write in तो cos है ना मेरे पास, तो इसको secant में लिख दूंगा ना. cos को लिख सकता हूँ ना ऐसा? Guys, can I write like that? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Can I make it like that? Yes or no? How is the Josh? Please.
Yes, sir.
देखो, please show your enthusiasm here. This into this कितना? Cosec square a minus 1 by cosec a. इसको कैसा करता हूँ? secant square a minus 1 by secant a. ऐसा बनाते हैं ना इसको. तो अरे भाई देखो, विराट कोहली आ रहा है फिर से. तो cosec square minus a 1, इसको लिख सकता हूँ cot as per the property. cot square a by cosec a into ये क्या होता है? tan square होता है ना by secant a. Let us write identities here. Let us write identities. Cosecant square minus a, cosecant square minus cot square a is equal to 1. And one more thing, secant square minus tan square a is equal to 1. So from these two identities, by using these two identities, I'm just solving. I'm writing this one as this one and this one as this one. Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubts? Hello?
No.
Very good. ठीक है, तो इसके बाद क्या लिख सकते हैं इसको? After this, what can I write? Simple. Simple. Look at this here. So cot square can be written as what? Cos square by sin square, and cos a can be written, cosecant a can be written 1 by sin a. 1 by sin a मतलब इसको ऐसे लिखता हूँ ना मैंने. Can I write like this? Reciprocal into
Yes.
sin square a by cos square a by 1 by cos. 1 by cos ये मतलब मैंने इसको थोड़ा फिरा के ऐसा लिख रहा हूँ यार, रेसिप्रोकेटिंग. इसको एरेस कर रहा हूँ. कैन आई लिख, ऐसा लिख सकता हूँ ना मैंने? गाइस कैन आई राइट लाइक दैट?
हाँ,
आप सोचिए। हाँ, देखो इधर साइन ये कैंसिल कर देंगे, एक कॉस ये कैंसिल कर देंगे, एक तो बचा हुआ स्टेप क्या है मुझे बताइए गाइस। यू हैव टू हैबिचुएट फॉर सॉल्विंग द कैलकुलेशंस, you have to solve, you have to get habituated for
Cos
solving the calculation so quickly in a short way. All right, so cos square ये by sin ये, तो क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैंने? मुझे क्या बचा इधर? cos square, what I remain
cos
with?
square A into sin square A.
So what I remain with
Cos
here?
square A into sin square.
So that's what tan square by secant ये, तो sin ये by cos square ये by sin ये ना, कहाँ गलती कहाँ बना दिया?
Into sin square. No, sir. It is left.
हाँ ये sin सही है, तो cos square ये by sin ये into sin square ये by, तो guys can I cancel here also? भाई इधर भी एक साइन है ना, here also we have one sin, नहीं तो ऐसा बनाएंगे भाई, इसको कैसा करेंगे, नहीं तो ऐसे कैंसिल करेंगे, instead of doing all this stuff we'll calculate straight away. this one पूरा गया, ये तो पूरा चलेगा ना, तो मुझे क्या बचा? sin ये into cos ये बचा straight away, yes or no?
Yeah.
ये बहुत सिंपल है ना, दिखने में भी बहुत सीधा सा दिख रहा है, साफ साफ, कैलकुलेट करने में भी थोड़ा थोड़ा आसान लग रहा है। ठीक है, ये हो गया। मुझे मेरा RHS क्या है भाई? मेरा RHS, व्हाट वाज माय RHS? माय RHS वाज 1/tan ये प्लस cot ये, सो हाउ कैन आई मेक इट आउट? हाँ देखो भाई, दिस इज माय LHS आंसर, क्या है? LHS. I cannot do further anything, I cannot make it out anything after this, so let us write RHS. What is my RHS here? RHS was 1/tan A plus cot A. Now if I solve this RHS, I should get the same answer again, then I can conclude both are equal, LHS equal RHS. So same thing भाई, इधर देखो sin A by cos A लिखो, so plus cot को cos by sin A लिखो, and look at this here, 1 divided by sin square A, I'm just cross multiplying, cross multiplying this into this, ठीक है, plus cos square A. Any doubt guys? Am I going fast? Tell me if I'm going so. All right, so 1 by ये क्या होता है? 1 होता है ना, this will become 1 by sin A into cos A, तो रेसिप्रोकल, तो sin A into cos A मिल गया मुझे। This is my RHS answer, LHS. So both are same. LHS equal, therefore LHS equal RHS. Can I say hence proved? आपको इधर नहीं समझ में आया होगा तो मैंने फिर से समझाऊंगा। ये देखो, this into this, this into this, this into this, आया समझ? कोई डाउट? कोई डाउट चिल्ड्रन?
Yes.
Any doubt children? So LHS equal RHS. My LHS answer was sin A into cos A, RHS answer also sin A into cos A. So LHS equal RHS, दोनों बराबर, तो hence proved, जिंदाबाद। आ रहा है समझ? Any doubt?
Yes.
कोई डाउट?
नहीं sir.
तुषार was in waiting list, उसका टिकट नहीं कंफर्म हुआ था, अभी वो वेटिंग लिस्ट में ही है। What about others guys? Are you guys able to understand anyone?
हाँ sir.
चलो turn on your cameras once. Okay, no doubts, right? I'll be sharing the class notes, so please go through that, refer that. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the next class. Thank you for your patience listening. We'll meet in the next session and then goodbye. Thank you. Tushar, you left the meeting. Why, Tushar?
So there was an internet issue.
Okay. When did you leave?
So just 1-2 minutes ago.
अब तो पूरा क्लास को सुना है ना? सुना होगा ना?
Yes, sir.
You might have gone through that. Yes, just refer the class notes. If any doubts, you can ask me. Feel free to ask. Goodbye. Thank you, children.
Thank you sir.
Thank you.